wanna know.
Hey guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be doing some miracle knots again, but this time it's a little different just because of the texture of the hair. But we're going to be using ELFIN's hair today, and this hair texture is Burmese curly hair. And I really like this one because it can be worn in two ways, whether it's wet with some mousse on it and it gives it that wet look, or whether it's not wet and it just is in its natural state. But I am going to be showing you guys just overall how I installed it. It was very easy to install. Hair was held together by a thread. So to start off, I braided her hair in individual braids, and I left about a half an inch to an inch of those braids unbraided towards the ends because we're going to be braiding in the crochet here and at the bottom. So after it is braided, I went in and I added in one piece of the crochet hair, and I braided the bottom of that hair, and then I tied it into a knot about 2 to 3 times. I also have a tutorial on this in my previous video, but that hair was a little looser, so this is why this tutorial is a bit different. Same technique, just a different look. But I braided the end of those braids down, and then after that I went in and just crocheted in 2 pieces because the hair was already so full, so you really don't need a lot, but depending on the fullness you want determines how many pieces of hair you're going to add in. So I just went in and I crocheted in, and I only tied it once and made sure that that thread was left hanging so that it was secure. And you guys can get a close-up look on how I did that. And I just went in and did that around her whole head, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. You guys saw how it looked without any water or anything, but I did go in and spray some water and put some mousse on her hair because I personally just like that look a little bit better, and she also liked it a lot. But you can wear it either way, and I went in and just trimmed the ends a little bit. But this hair was really easy to work with, y'all. It was super duper soft. Definitely recommend, and it turned out so good on her. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment down below and let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.